Cleaning windows sounds like one of those jobs that should take 5 minutes. Then you see the fingerprints, dust, watermarks, the outside glass you can't reach, and suddenly that 5-minute job turns into something you've been avoiding for weeks. That's where window cleaning robots come in. I went through 5 different models, and they each have a pretty different idea of what easy cleaning actually means. So let's start at number 5 and work our way to the one that makes the most sense when the glass is high, wide, or just plain annoying to clean. The Tosima W5 takes the 5th spot. Its biggest selling point is the way it sprays cleaning solution in both directions while moving across the glass. The spray keeps the surface damp while the robot works, and its suction can reach up to 6,400 pascals. There's also edge detection, an air pressure sensor, a safety rope, and 8 reusable cleaning rags included. In normal use, it handles large, smooth windows, mirrors, and glass doors without needing much attention. The remote is useful too, especially when you want to adjust the robot yourself. It isn't perfect though. Tight corners and deep edges can slow it down, and it's not particularly fast. You'll also hear the suction while it's working. Still, if you want a reasonably straightforward machine that can handle everyday glass without spending a fortune, the W5 is a sensible starting point. At number 4 is the Tosima X1. This one uses 2 ultrasonic spray nozzles, sending a fine mist in the direction the robot is moving. The 85 milliliter tank has a viewing window so you can see how much liquid is left without guessing. Once it's placed on the glass, it can work automatically in an S-shaped pattern, or you can use the remote when you want more control. It can handle smaller glass too, starting from around 30 by 30 centimeters, and the backup battery keeps it attached for about 25 minutes if the power suddenly disappears. That's something you definitely want from a robot hanging off a window. The X1 also comes with a safety tether and can work on overhead glass. Its weakness is that it doesn't have the more sophisticated navigation and automation found higher up this list. But for someone who wants a simple machine that can clean windows, mirrors, glass doors, and similar surfaces, it gets the important stuff right. The ECOVACS WINBOT Mini comes in at number 3, and the first thing you notice is its size. At 21.5 by 21.5 by 5.5 centimeters, it's much easier to handle than some larger window robots. That small body also helps when the window itself is narrow. The central fan produces up to 7,500 pascals of suction, while tracks, rollers, and sensors help it move around the glass. There are 3 cleaning modes: quick, intensive, and deep, plus a spot cleaning function for a stubborn area. It also runs from mains power, so you're not waiting around for a battery to recharge. The safety system is reassuring, and during a power failure, it can remain attached for roughly 30 minutes while sounding an alarm. There are a few things that keep it from ranking higher. The safety cable can get tangled with the power cable. The robot sometimes spends too long going over the same area, and it can leave a small pad mark when it stops. On larger windows, it may also miss a strip near the top. And with noise around 67 to 69 decibels, you'll definitely know when it's running. For smaller windows and regular maintenance though, its compact design is genuinely useful. The ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro OMNI moves into second place, and this is where the setup becomes much more interesting. Instead of carrying around a robot, charger, cable, and cleaning supplies separately, the W2 Pro OMNI packs everything into a portable station. The station charges the robot, stores the equipment, manages the cable, and acts as the control center. You can run it from the built-in battery for up to 110 minutes, or plug it in when you want continuous operation. The 3-nozzle spray system covers the glass before the cleaning pad passes over it, while WinSlam 4.0 handles the robot's root and edge detection. There are 5 cleaning modes, and the upgraded motor is designed to improve movement and cleaning efficiency. Safety is another big part of the package, with a 12-stage protection system and a safety tether. On really dirty outdoor windows, you may need more than one pass and possibly a fresh pad, but that's hardly surprising. It also wants smooth, even glass. Gaps, bumps, and uneven surfaces can stop it from continuing. If you have lots of large windows, balconies, or floor-to-ceiling glass, the portable station makes this one particularly convenient. Then there's the ECOVACS WINBOT W3 OMNI sitting at number 1. After looking at what it can actually do, the reason for that ranking becomes pretty clear. The W3 isn't necessarily going to beat you on a tiny window. You could wipe one of those faster yourself. Its real advantage is dealing with glass that you don't want to or simply can't reach. The W3 comes with an automatic cleaning station that washes the mop pad using 16 high-pressure nozzles in about a minute. So instead of finishing one window with a filthy pad and carrying that dirt onto the next one, the station takes care of the washing. On the robot itself, TrueEdge technology works right along the edges, with about 1.1 millimeters of edge reach. 3 spray nozzles wet the glass, and the wiping pad follows behind. WinSlam 5.0 handles navigation and obstacle detection, while different cleaning modes let you change how aggressively it works. The biggest difference shows up on exterior windows, tall glass, balconies, and other places where getting out there with a cloth would mean balancing on something you probably shouldn't be standing on. The W3 stays attached after finishing, and the system includes a reinforced 5.5 meter cable, a heavy base, and a safety tether. There are limits, of course. The glass needs to be flat, the cable limits the working range, and serious hard water buildup may still need proper chemical treatment and scrubbing. Small indoor windows also don't really justify the cost, but if you have large panes, high exterior glass, or windows that are simply too awkward to clean yourself, this is where the W3 makes the most sense. So the choice really comes down to your windows. The Tosima W5 keeps things simple, the Tosima X1 adds flexible control and a useful backup battery, and the WINBOT Mini is the compact pick for everyday cleaning. The W2 Pro OMNI is a better match for homes with lots of glass and larger panels. But if the main reason you're looking at a window robot is because some of your windows are difficult or unsafe to reach, the WINBOT W3 OMNI is the one I'd put at the top of the list.